Here I have OPPO A12 and today I'm going to show you how to block number on this device. So firstly, let's open a phone, then go to contacts, select a contact which you want to block, and here you tap add to blacklist. If you want to block number, you will have to add this number to your contacts, and then you just tap add to blacklist, and this number will be banned, blocked. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.